How to set up internet using USB Type-C to RJ45. I'm going to show you how to set up to the Ethernet adapter to the phone. But first let's have a speed test using Wi-Fi. Now let's set up the Ethernet adapter. You only need USB Type-C to RJ45, RJ45 cable, working router. Plug the RJ45 cable to the router. Connect the RJ45 to the adapter. Connect the adapter to your phone. Now check the notification and if you see the symbol to your phone. Then it's good to go. Now check the lights in the adapter if it's blinking. Let's have a speed test. As you can see, there is a slight improvements to the latency and the jitter speed. Disclaimer: not all phones are supported to this setup.